Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get coin reward. This is guaranteed coin rewards for you in UCL live event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event and complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the play. Tap the live events and tap UEFA Champions League and tap this one group stage. So I want to show you how you can get coin. Just tap the logo to get rewards. For example, this one. The guaranteed reward will be 5,000 until 10,000 coin, and you can get also possible reward from 10,000 until 5,000. So you can purchase this with 25 UCL point here. This one. Currently I have 8. So you can earn this UCL point from live event, quest and player exchange in UCL event. For example, tap the main page. You can get UCL point from here, from the main event. Try to finish this challenge every day so you can get this UCL point. You can collect this, save the UCL point and tap this logo to get the rewards. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click that button below. Enjoy the game.